everyone, Franz here, back with another video. If you've seen my last video, you know that I'm going camping for a week. And before that, I'm going to go to the gym, hit shoulders. I probably won't get that recorded just because we're going to leave right after that. So, kind of in a little bit of a hurry. But, yep. Back from the gym. The workout was good. I was the only one there for like pretty much the whole time. We're just packing up the van, getting ready to leave now. We're about to leave. This thing is completely packed. Like, how am I even supposed to sit in here? We made it. 3-hour drive. No AC. AC in the middle seats is broken. Now we just have to unpack. Do you have any faith in me?
No.
You think I can maybe move it?
No.
I'll try and flip it.
Skinny bitch.
Sure. At least I moved it. Heavy.
Fail.
Is that a flex?
Yeah, do it.
Videoing?
Yeah. Take your shirt off now.
I'm good. Ready?
Makeshift gym.
Oh!
Come on. That's easy.
It's hard on your hands.
Try it the other way.
Try it the other way.
That'll make a better picture too.
Oh, I'm slipping. Might work.
That's such a bad move. You've got no balance. No good job. I can lift you up. Get under it. Why would you do that? I'll do it with you.
No, I got it. I did it! Now I gotta flip it back.
That's gonna be easier.
Oh no, it won't.
It's gonna be much easier.
Wow!
Well, there's a snack bin right here.
I don't think they're very interested in the snack bin grading.
Just wait till they see what's inside.
Sunflower seeds,
Pancakes.
pancakes, Mr. Noodles.
Eating night snack now. Maple and brown sugar porridge.
Lightly salt, lightly sweetened.
Lightly sweetened.
Blends in too much.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's like,
Touch
Yeah.
it.
oh shoot. That one.
Okay.
It just blends right in.
Reese's Puffs, best cereal. I swear, every time we go camping, it rains.
It follows us.
Whoa, that's weird.
Is it better?
Is anybody coming along with me?
That's like crunchy and soft at the same time.
Yeah, because it's hard.
I'm coming. Right in.
What?
The water's deep enough we can jump off this.
Yeah, well, we gotta figure it out later. I still think you won't come back from that water bottle.
Shut up. We have to find some like really good spots.
Yeah.
We have to walk all the way along back there then.
That's what might work too.
Yeah, this is a good
I think it
spot
looks
too.
it looks a little shallow to me though, because there's a rock down there we can see.
Yeah. Up close it doesn't look like very good of a spot. What?
I'll get on top of it and then...
Do it. Went under the water. Went under the water.
Probably slippery.
Well, then I probably shouldn't jump down with the camera.
No, just go down there.
Holy shit.
I'll take the camera.
I almost slipped. In recording.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Dude, I just stopped it.
You idiot. Move. Mom's taking a nap.
Enjoying the view.
Alright, we're walking down to the beach now.
Okay. Okay. Okay, go.
Oh my! Oh, it's all I can't feel my arms. they're frozen. They're all dead. What is the word? I can't feel them. It's asleep. That's what it's called. Oh, dude, I can't feel that. And there's marks. Dude, what the heck? This is crazy. Y'all too. This wasn't what we planned. It's like Bernie. It literally feels like when you fall asleep, like I can't feel them, I can't move them. It's all tingly all the way down, and they feel like super heavy. I got sand in my eye. Was it worth it? so weird. It feels kind of cool at the same time.
Was it worth it? I don't think so. You're talking about how you're all itchy and then you go back in the sand. You have to go in the water.
But I'm dry now.
Go run in. I'll count you down. 3, 2, 1. Go. Go. He stopped.
Thought I was gonna go far out.
Alright, we're back at the campsite now. We're playing some camping games, and this one we call Toss Bite. First try, no way!
I gotta go get a new chocolate.
Now we have to get the cake. Okay, I'm not very good at
I'm
this.
throwing it at my crotch. I lost it.
I'm sitting on it.
Oh, that one hurts.
Oh. That was
Okay,
perfect.
that was my fault.
Didn't even have to move.
That is not my fault.
That one was not bad.
That was good. Here's the next one.
You have to wait for me to chew it.
No, I don't. Oh, that kind of hurt. These chairs are stupid.
That's why I'm in the green one.
I can't get up.
Watch this.
Oh, that's in the bush.
No! I found it. Dude!
That is. I leaned over to get that.
I went sideways to get that.
Yeah, but I'm throwing it with an arc. You're like throwing them bullets at me.
Come on, Graydon. That's like 4 perfect ones now.
No, those aren't perfect.
That one was.
They're perfect. They'd be in my mouth.
There we go.
Ah!
Okay, let's play nipple shot. Take your shirt off.
Alright, y'all tube. This is nipple shot.
Don't throw it that hard.
Ah. Keep going.
Oh, dirty. Oh, you can see the mark.
It's close.
So close. Ah! Show the camera the mark. Right there.
We'll get some more. Like for that.
Okay. No! So close. Nipple shot!
No, that didn't
Yes,
hit.
that did.
That did
That
not
hit the
hit.
corner.
No. It has to be bullseye.
No, it doesn't. It has to touch it.
It has to like be more than that though.
Nipple
that
shot. What?
That was right there.
That was close.
Yeah, it was close, but it didn't hit it.
Nipple shot!
Wolves again?
I have 2. 2 at a time.
That would have been sick.
Okay, anyways, that's nipple shot for you. We have reviewed the footage. Nolan 1, Graydon 0. We'll be right back with more Franztastic games after this short break, because we have to go charge the camera battery.
And clean the tent.
You can do that.
No.
This game we like to call Log Walk. Ready?
Yep.
After.
3,
Best of 3.
3, 2, 1. Oh, frick. Oh, it hurts.
No! Oh!
Oh, shoot. Oh.
This is hard.
I'm blocking it. Oh shoot.
No!
Yeah!
No!
Ugh.
This is not regulation. I slipped on this. That's why I lost. Round 2.
Holy kill.
No, I didn't touch it.
Okay.
No! Holy
No one's
crap.
on the ropes.
Shut up, Dad.
No one's using inappropriate language towards his father. Why don't you get his feet? Knock his feet off.
Stop talking.
Can't do that.
Oh, why not?
Because you're more sturdy than that. It's a pal. Oh, he's,
No!
yeah, I win.
Frick.
That's 2-0. Come on.
Dude. Okay. In the total games, 1-1. All right, taking a break from the games and just gonna go watch the sunset and have a chill evening.
I'll be right baby.
Yeah,
We're
how
back
do you
with-
win or lose?
You don't say it anymore. You can't fit any more in.
And they all fall out.
No one's choking, okay?
Okay.
We know time, like.
We're back with the Franztastic games. This is Chubby Bunny. You wanna go first?
Chubby bunny.
You can't shove it in too much. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Are you allowed to chew them?
No. Chubby Bunny, that's 3, right?
Says the guy
Chubby
who
bunny.
his full fist in his mouth.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny.
That's how many? 5?
Chubby.
How many?
Chubby.
Chubby Bunny. Holy, I'm winning. That's just 5. Okay, I just gotta get this one. Stop. Stop. Chubby.
Rhea's pushing him back in. Did no one say it?
No, slap
I
him
want
too
to
much.
just like down my throat.
Chubby.
What is it? Is it a bunny? Is it a dog? You're chewing!
No, I'm not. Chubby Bunny.
Okay, that's good enough.
Who won?
I thought I fit way more in.
Oh. Okay, so you had 6 when you were like throwing up? That was 6 for me.
Yeah, that was 5.
And you were at 5 when you were like dying there?
I don't know about dying, but yeah.
Did I do 6 or 5?
It would have been 5.
Well, either way I won, so. Okay, for the next game, we call it the Golden Chef. So we're gonna cook a marshmallow and whoever does it better wins.
That was bad.
Okay, they're rating them now.
Yeah, look at that.
No, mine has a marshmallow inside. Yours is hollow.
Doesn't matter. The golden is always the best part of it. Look at that. That's all floppy too.
Yeah, but
It's bad.
Tough call. I don't know. But pretty much.
look at that. It's
Look,
hollow.
It's all melting onto
Look,
the other stick.
point that up to the camera.
That is not
Graydon.
controlled.
Point that up.
No, that
look
doesn't
at the
matter.
inside. There's nothing. You can see through it.
Blah blah blah. Rate it.
I'm gonna give him an Nolan the winner because
No.
he doesn't.
Okay, how about Mom?
Yeah, I'd say no.
Yeah. Wow.
Shut up. You're
3, 2, 1 for Nolan. Cause I want.
frick you.
I want Chubby Bunny. I don't think I said that before.
Yours look like an onion ring.
Graydon's?
Yeah, don't you like onion rings?
Not as a marshmallow.
Good night, y'all too. See you tomorrow. Oh, come on, bro.
That was so cringe. You just kissed the camera.
Yeah, that's what you do. You kiss them goodnight.
Okay, now do it. Say good night, y'all tube, and then turn the light off.
Good night, y'all tube. Alright, y'all tube. Going cliff jumping now.
You have to say y'all tube every single time.
It's fun though.
Go and throw it. Yeah. Oh, I think we're
Now splash your phone?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, we're back at the campsite with more games. This one we call Airstrike. So,
The object of the game is to throw up a seed, get it in your mouth. Whoever has more in their mouth at the end of a 30-second timer wins.
3, 2, 1, go.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
3,
5,
4, 5, 6, 7,
6,
8. Oh,
7, 8, 9. Oh shit.
21,
Oh frick, I can't see them.
22.
20.
It's waving 30 seconds.
What the frick?
You didn't even start it.
I did.
I did it.
I did. Look,
Look at it.
I started it and it did that. I started it. I guess we didn't hear.
So who won?
I don't know, we gotta do it again.
I was way ahead of you.
No, you were ahead by 2.
We're doing it again because we don't know who won.
Okay, I'll do 31 seconds, then when I put it down again.
No, just do it at 30. Why does that matter?
So you can
Put it on the ground.
yeah,
Put it
I know.
on the chair. Ready?
So you can see that I started.
I believe you.
Okay, it's going.
1,
1,
2, 3,
2,
4,
3, 4,
5, 6,
4, 5, 6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9, 10,
10,
11,
11, 12,
12,
13, 14, 15,
13,
16,
14,
17,
15,
18. Oh. We reviewed it, and Graydon won the first one by 1 seed, and I destroyed him in the second one, but because he won the first one, we're just going to give it to him because I'm destroying him right now anyways. So now it's 3-2 in the total games for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, this is one of the last games, and it's called Drunk Driving. So you drink your beer, root beer, and then you get on your bike, we do the figure 8, and then when we come back, whoever gets back first wins. Okay, we need a countdown.
5, 4, 3,
On one or go?
on 1.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I would be able to push the wall.
It burns! Can't touch the ground, Graydon.
not.
Oh shit.
That is cheap.
Holy. What the heck?
I win.
You have to do it twice,
I
Graydon.
did.
Okay, so Graydon won. I got confused and didn't do another, or didn't come back. I was already ahead of you. If I knew what to do, I would have won. But anyways, tied now.
I would have won because you kept cutting me off.
Whatever, tied now, 3-3. We got one more game left, so yeah. This is our last game. We call it the Skinny Boy Battle.
Camera. 3, 2, 1, start. Forty seconds left. Thirty seconds left. Feel the burn, boys. Feel the burn. 20 seconds. Let's go. 15. 11, 10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
How many did you do? I don't know. 30,
I did 45.
37.
Oh, I win.
We gotta count though.
Okay, I won getting 44 push-ups, not 45. And how many did you get?
38.
And Graydon got 38.
My name is Graydon, and I am the ultimate skinny boy.
Final score of the games, 4-3 for me. Thank you for watching. That is it for the Franztastic games.
Rolling.
there the whole way there.
Well, we should have got it on the island and drained it.
That's what I wanted to do. You guys just turn around.
You didn't say. You didn't communicate.
I thought it would be fine. I think I had a life jacket. Alright, so basically, we went to a little island, and my kayak already had water in it the whole time there, and on the way back it started to fill up more. The front of my kayak came out with the water this much, and I started sinking, so I had to swim all the way back, and yeah.
I had to tow his kayak back.
What's up, everybody? It's great to see you here on this nice, fine evening. Good to be here. Are you all right? No, you are all left. A lot of people don't think I'm that funny, but one night I was around the campfire. Hold on, guys, I got a joke. My wife says she's leaving me because of my obsession with poker. I think she's bluffing. Okay, my first joke. What do you call an alligator in Invest?
What?
An investigator. Tough crowd. What do you call a group of fat babies?
What?
Infantry. Someone asked me what deja vu means. I told them, I have a feeling that you've said this to me before.
Boo!
Oh hell, man.
Terrible.
Just had an officer at my door saying he was looking for a man with one eye. I told him that he would find him a lot faster if he used both.
Get on out of here!
Ah! I'm trying my best up here! Ah! That's so cool. Just got home. A really good week. I had a really good time. Had lots of fun. Hopefully I didn't lose all my gains while I was gone.